Good morning everybody, it's Saturday and the time is 9:15. I've literally just got out of bed, so please excuse the state of me, but I just had to show you this because when I came last night, obviously it was dark, it was late, and I've just gone to have a look out of our window, and how nice is this? So we've actually got like a little patio area, and then look at this. How nice is that? And I was thinking actually when I woke up that I'd like to maybe go for a bit of a walk today, get a bit of fresh air at some point. I've got today on my own basically, but how nice is that? I mean, it's pretty chilly, so I don't know if I'll be sat out there. I did kind of think, oh, it'd be nice to sit out there and do some work, but yeah, how nice is this? Doesn't get much better than that for a view. Hello everyone, I've just had breakfast. I forgot to take you with me unfortunately, so I'll try and insert a picture. Had like basically the biggest bowl of granola you've literally seen your life, with some fruit and apple juice and water. So I'm pretty full after that. I just thought I'd show you now I've opened up the windows, now I've opened up the curtains. I'll show you properly the view that I've got from here. So, how nice is this? Try to open the, oh, if I can open the door. How nice is this? It's like super quiet and just absolutely lush. So I've decided what I'm going to do today, because I'm on my own until Kelly, who I'm sharing a room with, she arrives tonight, and so I've got today free to do what I want really. So I've decided what I'm going to do. I need to sort out this monstrosity over here, which is my case, and I've got some more stuff over here and over here, and more stuff over here. So I was so tired last night, I literally just brushed my teeth and went to bed. I didn't want to do anything, so I need to sort all this out so that I can not be trying to find things whenever I need to like put some clothes on, or you know, anything like that. So oh, and also I've just realised that I failed to mention about my hair. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen that I've had my hair done. I've gone much darker this time, and I've also got like some violet colours through, it's kind of like mid-lengths to ends. It's so funny because I was really dark for a really long time, from when I don't even know what age I was when I started colouring my hair, probably 16, 17, and I was desperate to be like really dark, so I dyed it dark from then until I think it was when I first went self-employed, so I think it was about 6 years ago. So all of my customers that know me now have only ever known me with like my light blonde bits through my hair, whether it's longer or whether it's shorter. They've always known me with the blonde. So when I've been saying to people I'm thinking about going dark, they're like, oh, I can't imagine you with dark hair. But it's so funny because that's what it always used to be. I really missed the shine from dark hair, and I also felt like the condition of my hair could have been better, and I do use treatments on it because my hair is just as dry as the rest of me. So I decided, well, I was thinking about it last year whether to go dark, and I bottled it basically, and I wasn't really sure. I thought I was just bored and I didn't want to do it and then regret it. So the last time I had it done, I just let my hairdresser do what she wanted, and I had like grey and like pastel pink bits through the blonde, and then that fades out and then it's just blonde. So it's been 6 months since I had my hair done because of the whole house thing. So I've been looking at photos for a while, and saving some different, I had like 6 images that I really liked. 2 were quite natural but like darker brown with some kind of different tones through them, and then there were all the 4 others were shades of purple, blue and green, and I couldn't decide. I've been looking at it for weeks before and I just couldn't decide, so I left it up to my hairdresser Mary and I just let her decide. So she was debating between the purple and then there was like a greeny, it's like a teal green colour. So we decided to go for the violet this time, which I really like. It is super dark at the minute because it's literally just freshly been done. So over the next few washes, it will just lighten up a little bit, but I don't mind. I really like it dark. The only thing that I think now is that I need to get a darker brow thing because my brow products are all for like light brown or blonde hair, but hey, that's first world problems, isn't it, really? So yeah, I am now sat down and I don't really want to do anything. But I'm going to crack on. I'm going to sort my case out and then I'm going to go for a little wander, I think, and get some fresh air. Right, stage 1 down. I've sorted out my case. So in here I've got a real thing. I don't know why when I'm away I can't be doing with like putting stuff in drawers and all that kind of stuff because I just can't be bothered. So in my, I like to keep certain things in my case. I don't know why, it's the way I've always done it. So in here I've got pyjamas, I've got muslin cloths for my face, and then in this side I've got some like vest tops that go on underneath my outfits, and then in here I've got underwear, socks and tights. The other reason I like to keep these separate, especially with the tights, is that then they're not going to get snagged or caught anywhere. And then around here where we have our like hanging area, I've got my clothes that I wanted to hang up, and then here I've got tops, and then here I have my jeans and also the leggings that I'm going to wear on the way home. So that's that bit done. I now need to sort out this bag. This was my hand luggage bag, but it has got some clothes in there. I always take a spare set of clothes just in case. So I need to sort that out, and then I need to sort these bits out. That bag there is my skirt for tomorrow night. There's a cocktail party and that skirt is full of glitter, so that's in there because otherwise everything will be covered in glitter. And then I need to sort out this monstrosity, and then also just tidy up a bit from here. So that's what I'm going to do now. finished tidying up now, so I think I'm going to go for a wander. It looks pretty quiet outside, but it looks quite nice. It's nice and sunny, so I'm going to go out for a walk. I want to come back and at least try and edit the next video that's going to go up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to upload it. We've got Wi-Fi here at the hotel, but I don't know how good it is. I don't know whether it will allow me to upload anything. So worst comes to worst, it won't be a video this Tuesday, but I'll at least have one edited and ready to go. I can always put it out when I get back at the end of the week, and then put another video out the following Tuesday and get back in the routine. So I'm gonna pop out now and then get some fresh air. It was a long day yesterday of like being in that horrible plane. It's just gross, isn't it? So I'm gonna go for a walk and get some fresh air. I think that will make me feel a bit better. My eyes feel so sore today. I don't know whether it's because I was awake for such a long time, or whether it's like the air in the plane just dries your eyes out. What I should have done is I was really good, I kept moisturising my face, because last time my face got so dry and sore like the few days after, so I was really good about putting moisturiser on my face, but I just didn't think about putting drops in my eyes, and because I didn't have my lenses in, I ended up taking my contact lenses out once I was on the plane, and I thought that would be enough to help them, but actually I really should have put drops in, so I will do that on the way home, because on the way back I literally come back on the Thursday, I've got the Friday off, and then I'm back into work on the Saturday, so I've not got long to get back into the swing of it. So enough of me rambling on. I'm going to go out and get some fresh air, because it might make me feel a bit more alive, because I'm starting to feel tired again now. Put my hat on because I thought it would be cold, but it's not actually as cold as I thought. But honestly, how beautiful is this? It's actually really warm. I didn't expect it to be as warm as what it is, so it's nice. Hey everyone, I've just got back from dinner. I met Vicky from Mexico. She came and met me at my room because she's just down at the end of the hall. And then we walked up to the restaurant. The restaurant is in another building, but it's only a short walk. So we walked up there, and the gals from Sweden and Norway and Denmark were there, so we sat with them. So it's nice to see nice to see them. Most of them I'd met last year, but there are a couple of new ones because the distribution has changed slightly for a couple of the countries. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Kelly. She messaged me to say that her plane was delayed. It was supposed to leave. She's had a connection at Phoenix, so I don't know why her connection was there. She flew from Heathrow, the same as me, but she has got a connection in Phoenix, whereas mine was in Seattle, so I don't know whether there wasn't any seats left on the plane or something. But she was supposed to leave Phoenix at 9:30. That's now delayed to 10:30, and I think the journey is about an hour and a half, which again I don't really understand why it's done that, because my journey from Seattle is less than an hour. But anyway, so she's not probably going to get in until about midnight, so I'm just going to stay up for a bit. I'm kind of thinking if I can stay up, then maybe I'm more likely to sleep until a bit later, hopefully. Obviously I managed to get back to sleep until about 7:15 this morning, so hopefully I can sleep properly tonight. If I could get in the routine of it after last night and waking up at 7:15, that would just be the dream, but I'm also realistic and I know that's probably not going to happen. So I'm going to wrap this up for today. I don't know whether this will be the end of this part of the vlog, because we've got 2 days now. It depends how long it ends up being. So I will either see you tomorrow or I will see you in the next part of this vlog. Cheers guys, bye.